Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to teach you all about solving an equation. That is, we are going to learn about what is simple equation and how to solve a simple equation. Right? It's very simple topic, and before that you have to know what is an equation, or else what is a simple equation. It is nothing but it is a mathematical expression which relates on either side with equal symbol. That is, it is a combination of some variables and constants and with equal sign. Okay, for example, the simple equation, if I am taking, so variable means any alphabets, right? So it is a combination of, it is also equation, simple equation. Or else if I am writing with constants, it is also simple equation because it has equal sign with some variables and constant also, right? So simple equation is nothing but it is a mathematical expression related with equal sign. Okay, so that's it. Now we can move to how to solve an equation, or else before that you have to know whether it is a equation or not. That you have to know that. Okay. So first you have to practice about to check whether it is an equation or not, or whether it is a solution or not. Okay, for example, if I am taking m plus 2 equal to 0, check whether it is an equation, check whether it is an equation, check whether it is an equation or not, whether it is an equation or not. For m equal to minus 2, so when m equal to minus 2, it is an equation or not, you have to check it out. Just you should do is replace this value in this equation. So instead of m, you have to replace it. So what is your answer will be, replace, instead of m you have to replace minus 2 plus equals 0. Therefore it satisfies this right side answer, right? Minus 2 plus 2 is 0, so it satisfies the right side answer. So obviously it is an equation, and the solution of this equation is m equal to minus 2. Clear? That is, if I am giving some expression with some values, you have to replace that value in that equation. If it becomes, if you get the right side answer, means that is a correct equation, or that is a correct solution for that equation. One more problem I can do. Suppose if I am taking 3m plus 5 is equal to 4. Okay, I take an equation. So I have to check it out whether it is an equation or not when m equal to 3. So you have to check it out. What we should do, just replace the value in the equation. So instead of m, you have to replace, take it out, 3 into 3 9, 9 plus 5 14. So 14 is not equal to 4. Correct? We are not getting the right side answer. So it is not an equation, or else it is not a, m equal to 3 is not a solution of this equation. Right? So this is a simple equation introduction. Next we are going to move how to solve a simple equation. So next we are going to say about how to solve an equation. So 2 points you have to remember. That means if you are taking any expression, the plus symbol, when you are moving to right side, it should change, plus becomes minus. And if multiplication go to right side, it will convert into division. So opposite sign you have to change it. Okay, so that alone you have to remember, then you can solve any simple equations very easily. Suppose if I am taking that equation m plus 5 equal to 0, how to find a solution of this equation? I am taking a simple equation m plus 5 equals 0. You have to find out the solution of this equation. Very simple. What is it? Plus becomes minus. So you have to move this constant term in this side because you are going to find out only the value of m. So m alone keep this side, that is left side. Remaining every term you should take it into right side. So this plus becomes, when it moves to right side, keep m alone, plus becomes minus. So your answer is m equal to minus 5. This is the solution of this equation. Okay, suppose if I am taking by another example, 3m equal to 9. Okay, 3m equal to 9. What is the solution of this equation? What I said? It is a combination of multiplication. So when multiplication becomes, when you are taking multiplication into right side, it will become division. So this m alone keep this side, this into 3, this multiply the 3, it will go to right side, it will convert to division. So your answer is simply 3. So 2 points you have to remember. Plus becomes minus, or else minus becomes plus. It depends upon your equation, right? At the same time, if you are taking multiplication, it will convert to division, or else if you are taking division, it will convert into multiplication. That means when you are taking into right side, it will convert into like this. Okay. So two more problem I will take for you. Suppose if I am taking the third problem, suppose if I am taking 5p by 2 equal to 10. How you can find the solution of this equation? So it is a combination of multiplication as well as it is a combination of division. So which operation you should do first? According to Burman's rule, first you have to cancel the denominator. Okay, so we don't need about denominator. So denominator you have to cancel. So this denominator first you should take into right side. So how it will be? Numerator alone keep this side. These two division, when it go into right side, it will convert into multiplication. So you have to multiply. So what is the answer? 5p equal to 20. Now look at, you have to find out only p value. So p alone keep this side. This 5 no need. That is 5 is in multiplication combination. So when it goes to right side, multiplication change into division. So you have to divide by 5. So what is the answer for p? Your answer is 4. Very simple. Very simple, no? So in this method, you practice yourself for solving an equation. Equation is nothing but it is a mathematical expression which has some solution for that. Okay, so you can find any solution. So you can find the solution for any simple equation by using these 4 rules. Understood? I hope you understand this topic, and if you don't understand, or if you want to ask any doubts, means kindly ask me in comment section. And if you like this video, kindly give like and share with your friends, and if you like this channel, means kindly subscribe and keep support me. Bye bye.